Hello everyone, this is my good friend Ryley. We are going to get her adjusted today. We don't have our regular in-office tools today, so we are going to be doing a little bit of a portable adjustment. All you need is this little headpiece and you're all set. We're going to use a yoga mat and we're good to go. Ry, how do these adjustments make you feel?
Amazing.
Love it.
Helps with my anxiety and it made me like 2 inches taller.
Love that. All right, so we're going to get Ry adjusted here. Ry, so you are going to go left shoulder down, facing this way with your head right here.
Okay. So like on my side, right?
On your side. Take your glasses and hat off too.
Okay.
Okay. Here. Okay. Turn. Lift your head. Good, right there. Special guest Harvey. Okay.
Hi, baby.
This is going right here. This is going to click up and click down.
Harvey.
Come on, Bubby. Sit down. Sit. Get out of here. And that's it right there. Have an amazing Sunday. Thank you for tuning in. If you like the videos, like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you later.
Yay.